There is a big update in my software DestinyAI, and all bugs are fixed. Now the software is more user friendly. Now I am showing you how. Please follow my cursor. The main update is to add new data. Now you don't need to enter the latitude, longitude and time zone data manually. Now all data will be inserted automatically. Please follow my cursor. To add a new row means to add a new data, you have to click the Find My Place. All tabs are inactive, but Find My Place is active. Enter the name of the place, suppose Kolkata, and press enter, and from here you have to choose one of the options. Suppose the place name is Upland. Press enter and you have to choose one of these options. I choose California and click locate. Now click add new row. You can see here the latitude, longitude and the time zone is here for your desired place. Now you have to only enter the other data. Now save changes. All done. Now I am going to delete this newly added data. Delete selected. Now let's see if we click add new row without selecting the place from Find My Place. What will happen? Now I am going to click add new row. It says please use Find My Place first to get location data before adding a new row. Okay. The page is here. Now the same process, you have to enter the location name, suppose Delhi, and press enter and click here, and you have to choose one, Delhi, India. Locate, the map will be here. Now you can add new row. Now you can see here the data for latitude, longitude and time zone is here for your desired place. So now there is no need to add the data for latitude, longitude and time zone manually. And follow my cursor. You can see the video for the same from here. So friends, thank you for watching and goodbye.